How to fix keeps vibrating in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn off notification alert. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want to turn off notification alert. After selecting app, click on notification and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off notification alert this app from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system updates. Click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on reset option. Click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.